Hi, good morning. I have
Good
two
morning.
quick questions. Instead of shaving, what are your thoughts on the pullbacks, selling everything and then adding back in when it starts to go back up again?
Nope, I don't like it. It's too risky because every time you re-enter a trade, you're putting risk on the table. So if you do that every single time, all you're doing is increasing your risk. Don't do that.
What do you mean? I don't understand.
Every time you re-enter a trade, you are putting more risk into the trade. I want you to think about this real quick, Jem. Are you with me?
Yes,
If you got in the trade here, this was your first pullback for 50%, right?
right?
If you tried to sell all of it right here, where's bottom? When are you getting back into it?
Mm,
Exactly, and that's why.
that little
Nope,
with the
nope,
okay.
yep, nope, because now what you're trying to do is scalp. So now what you're doing is taking a perfectly proven, as you're hearing from everybody in this room, a perfectly proven system, and now you're trying to turn a 2-minute EWO into a scalp, right?
Right, okay.
Otherwise, you're just putting yourself at big risks. Now, once you become great, though, Jem, you can buy here, sell here, add here, sell here, add here, sell here, add here, only when you're an expert. And the reason you would know that is you get rid of when it pulled, you added on support, it clearly showed you. You got rid of right here, you added on support, it showed you. You got rid of here, you added on support, it showed you, and so on and so forth. But you don't get to do that until you've made millions that have mastered the 2-minute EWO and your account is so high you don't know what to do with it because all you are is swimming in money. Get it?